The tragic death of 71-year-old Leroy Smith at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay last week brought to light something most people didn't know, that there's no ambulance based at the airport. We're going to be talking in today's program about the concerns about the medical response to his collapse, as well as the arrangements in place at the airport for emergency medical care. Later on, we'll hear from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, Opposition Spokesperson on Health Dr. Alfred Dawes, as well as disaster and emergency risk management expert Dr. Barbara Carby. Thank you so much for joining us. This is All Angles. I'm Dion Jackson Miller. First, though, I spoke earlier today with Ramon Smith, who is the nephew of the deceased man. All right, so take us back to last week, Wednesday. So I understand that your uncle had come for a family funeral and was heading back to the States. Just tell us your story. Tell us what happened.
Pick him up down by Savlamar. He rented a car. But the person that he rented the car from, he went to that person's workplace to drop off the car. So I pick him up from there. So on our way to the airport, it was okay. Talking. Me and my little daughter. Everything was normal. Went to the airport. Airport, they are working on it. So you have to just drop off whoever you're dropping off and just move. So we just do that. Drop him off and him say, when him reach, he will let me know whatever, and that was it. Then like 20-25 minutes later, I got a call that I need to go to the Conway Regional Hospital because the person I just left there he fell down and need urgent care. So I said to the person who talked to me, I asked who is this, and she said she's a representative from JetBlue. She worked with JetBlue. So
JetBlue is the airline he was flying with?
The airline he was traveling with, yeah.
Okay.
She said, I'd tell her I'm close by, if I can come back and get him. She said, no, he's in need of urgent care, so they would have to call the ambulance. But anyway, she said it was $400 to transport him to the hospital, and they need confirmation. So I said, all right, no problem.
And that's 400 US?
Yeah, 400 US.
And to be clear, this is still the airline, the person who identified herself as an airline representative.
Yeah. That was the person still.
Okay.
I wanted to go back and get him, and she said, no, he's in need of urgent care. So they have to call the ambulance to take him to Conway Regional. And all she was debating, and it was just the 400. She need confirmation. I said, miss, go ahead and take him. Sir, I need confirmation. So me have to ask her, I said, you look like a me don't know what confirmation mean, or you. Me say, carry man, $400 to save somebody's life, and nothing that. And she said, okay. So while me and me way now head to the Conway Regional Hospital, I got a call. Not sure if it was the same lady, but it was from the same number, letting me know I must come back to the airport. So when I get back to the airport now, ambulance was there, everything was there, and going to the airport now, see him calling off for one part. That's what happened. Nobody not tell her. But try to see me know say I did business because he cover up and everything. So give me report, do everything what the policeman say, give them every information what they need. And then by the time now, somebody, them from the mark come for him. Me tell them some want whatever he have in a position. Them say yes. So by the time them go outside with him, put him in a time up, go outside with him. So by the time me go to them outside now, feel like whatever them are going to do it outside. By the time me go there, policeman tell me can't go back for him luggage them. By the time I go back for him luggage them, he disappear. Then gone with him. So by the time the same policeman, the same policeman where I have the case, me go to him and me say, me tell the person them say me need the position where the man have for him and them not give me. So him there try to cut them out because the airport full up. So one police lady now call Mrs. Delapen and tell her, say the person where I come now, you have everything for him and we are gonna need it. So me there the mag like 30 minutes before them come. But by them come now, before them come the lady, the secretary make me know what and what he have in his pocket. $50 Jamaican, $30 silver, 1 pack of Wrigley's, and one stick shave. And in chain, that was all I get from him. While we leave Sav, go to the gas station. Me go up on the gas pump. Me order 5,000 gas. Me order 5,000 gas from the pump attendant. Him say make it 6. Because him have some heap of Jamaican money plus US. And none of them they get back. None of them they get back. So, and nobody can give no account for none of them there. Only one Wrigley's, 50 Jamaican dollar, $30 silver. That's all you get back half time. None of them they get back when you have what me sure know say you have because the day before and me and him there on the road same way. Everything good with me and him. No farmer illness, no signs of illness, no tell you nothing like him feel no way or nothing. So me don't understand. And then now the ambulance people them they still have to pay them 10,000 because they say them come on the scene and them make the person dead or whatever. So me still have to pay them.
Who asked you for the $10,000?
The ambulance personnel.
The driver?
Me not sure who if I drive or but it was a lady run my car. Same place at the airport. But it was 2 of them. One man and a lady. And the lady run the car. Show the receipt. Them I say them no money never come in a play or whatever. Not like that. Can me have my receipt for sure. And me pay. Them can't say. Them can't tell somebody else that. Them can't tell me say no money never come in a play. Can me pay.
Tell me exactly what they said to you.
Sir, we understand where you go through now and everything, but a part of the policy. As we come, we don't get to do anything, but you still have to pay a fee of 10,000. And then now give you a break everywhere you go. It's like they know why you get where. Then just down in your skin, you have to pay 10,000. I pay them half of my card. Same place in the airport. So I don't understand now how them say no money never come in a play. Or not like that. I don't understand that.
I understand one of your relatives, I think it was Mr. Smith's niece, had also said they were in contact with her about trying to get an ambulance.
Yes.
Well, what has she said?
Well, I haven't heard much from her. The only thing I heard from her, she said persons from the airport call her. Persons from the airport call her and tell her, she tell me if you come back over there. That is all me hear from her. We don't really hear much from she.
There are a number of different things here that need to be dealt with, that need to be answered. But tell me how you feel about the ambulance situation. The fact that there wasn't an ambulance on site and your uncle had to wait until one got there.
The whole feeling, me just feel like everything, just money. The whole thing are just over money. Just the money everybody are deal with. Because the lady that he was behind when he fell down, the lady will try to help him. Tell them she will pay the $400. Nobody now pay her no mind. She said she will pay the private car for car. They say no private car, they have to follow protocol. So I say in an emergency and a protocol, so I don't understand. So I think say if I do a white man drop down there, no protocol don't come in a play because them are going to try to save him. Them are going to try to save him and then think about money after. The same Jamaican them where I work out there. If I did a white man, everybody run him, then fan him, then do everything to save him. But in your own nation, you just deal with money you deal with. Money over life. Money over life. And that could have happened to any single body, any person at all that could have happened to.
So tell me what you want to see happen now.
them a person, whoever in charge or whatever out of airport, them fit be an example.
Tell me what you mean by that.
No man, somebody have to face some farmer consequences for this. You can't just look for one man, lie down a ground. If ambulance will come or if you don't get money, he can't move. You can't do nothing for him to try to save him. Even if he might go dead, just try something to save him now. Make him live 2 more minutes where you can say, all right, in dead while undergoing treatment or something like that. You know, just look upon him. There's such no money, no PR, you know, get something signed to say, yeah, whatever. Yeah, go get your money. So just carry him. But everything, as I say, everything just based upon the money, the money, the money, the money, the money. The money, no life, nothing. Without money. Everybody just a look money.
We don't know clearly what would have happened if your uncle had got medical, you know, if an ambulance had got to him quicker, if he had got medical treatment. We don't know what would have happened, but it sounds as if you feel that he never had a chance. He wasn't given the best chance.
He never get no chance if he got tried, nothing, because as we say, everybody just did a look. First thing we start in drop down, and there's something go see him. Then put him on one different part because what airport business have to go on, you know. Him can't stop airport business from go on. People have to move, Him there one different part by himself. Nobody not pay him no mind, nobody not pay him no attention. Nothing at all. Him not get no attention. If him did get attention, you could have said you try, but it just never worked. But nobody no try.
The airport has put out a statement. I don't know if you've had a chance to see it. They're saying that after their air operations center was contacted, they say a nurse got there within 6 minutes, and then they said he was being treated.
No, they mean 60 minutes. The first lady said nobody no come until after 20 minutes. She said that in the first interview, she said that no one came till about 20 minutes. So when they must say 2 minutes or whatever minutes, nothing like that. But between the flight and somebody at the airport, them need to be held accountable for all of this, all of the negligence and everything. Something need to be done. You have to set an example. You can't just let this go by. So because what happened to the next person when you have nobody to come and talk about them? Suppose I did one taxi in charter. When you know nothing about him, we can't say nothing about him. You know, hear nothing about this, and you just hear saying dead. And I hit that.
And just to say that in the statement that MBJ Airport sent out on September 10, they said, and I quote, "We wish to emphasize there's absolutely no policy or requirement for payment for ambulance services by a passenger during an emergency situation at Sangster International Airport." So clearly questions to be answered. We did ask a representative from MBJ Airports to speak with us. We were told that out of respect for the family, they're not engaging in any discussion programs at this time. As you hear, though, what the family wants is answers. Let's go to the break. When we come back, we hear from the Health Minister, Dr. Christoph Dunn.